What we have got? We have got the value of one pair of shoes. Now when we have got the value of one pair of shoes, we can calculate the value of single shoe with this equation. So the value of one shoe will be equal to 20 divided by 2, that will be equal to 10. So one shoe is equal to 10. Let's come to second equation. Now what we can see in the second equation, a pair of shoes plus 2 men and their addition is equal to 30. So we have already got the value of a pair of shoes. So what we'll write instead of pair of shoes, we can write 20. 20 plus 2 men is equal to 30. That means the value of men will be equal to 30 minus 20 divided by 2. So the value of man will be equal to 5. Now we have got the value of man as well. Let's come to the third equation. In the third equation, we can see that there are two pair of goggles and a man, and their addition is written as 9. So we have already calculated the value of man. We can insert the value of man in this equation. The new equation will be 2 pair of goggles plus 5 will be equal to 9. Therefore, a pair of goggles will be equal to 9 minus 5 divided by 2. That is 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Now we have got the value of pair of goggles, that is 2. Let's come to fourth equation. In the fourth equation, we have a pair of shoes plus one hand glove plus a pair of goggles and their addition is equal to 42. So we have already calculated the value of a pair of shoes plus a pair of goggles. We will insert both the values and calculate the value of the glove. 20 plus hand glove plus 2 will be equal to 42. That means 20 and 2 will be equal to 22. So the value of glove will be equal to 42 minus 22, which will be equal to 20. Now we have got the value of one glove, that is equal to 20. Let's come to the last equation. Let us observe it properly. On analyzing this equation, we see that the man in this equation is different from the man in the above equations. Let us see this man minutely. This man is also wearing a pair of goggles, shoes and gloves in both of his hands. So the value of this man will be equal to man plus a pair of goggles plus a pair of gloves plus a pair of shoes. So we can calculate the value of this man. We have already calculated the value of all the objects. Let's insert the value of all the objects here. The value of man is 5 plus the value of goggles is 2 plus the value of a glove is 20, and since we have calculated the value of a single glove, so here we will multiply with 2 plus a pair of shoes, that is equal to 20. So what we found, the value of this man comes to 67. Now we will solve this equation. Again we have to see the equation properly. Here in this equation there is only one shoe instead of a pair of shoes. So one shoe plus this man multiplied by the pair of goggles. Let's insert the value of all the objects here. 10 plus 67 multiplied by 2. Now most of the people do the mistake at this point. Most of us add first two figures and then multiply with the third. But here we have to apply BODMAS, according to which in any such equation we need to multiply before adding. So here rather adding 10 with 67, we have to multiply 67 by 2 first of all. So 67 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 134. Now we will add 10 in that. 10 plus 134 is equal to 144, and 144 is our final solution. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Now a similar question for you all. Solve it, share it with your friends and tell me the answer in the comment box below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Stay updated with a new logic every week. Goodbye, good luck.